Here's a content idea that you can implement for your personal brand or business. The idea here is that instead of seeing a person's name tagged or a product listing with a price, you instead see some playful words or features that help to distinguish items in your shop. Perhaps you use recycled materials or fabric that feels like really buttery soft. You can really get creative with this, and it's so much fun to do. You can also use this on personal photos. You can add like colorful words to make something funny or entertaining, and there's just a lot of ways to really make this your own. You can also use descriptive words to help set a tone or a vibe for a lifestyle and really highlight some unique features of a product. Making this is super easy to do as well. You just need to combine two shapes. You need to get a rounded rectangle and a triangle, and that's it. You just add your words and you're ready to go. Be sure to follow for more content inspiration tips and tutorials.